The Sonomate 110BT comes with an auxiliary input EP connector socket. This is ideal for connecting the headphone output of phones and tablets. Use an EP to EP cable to connect. Before making connections, make sure you have powered off the Sonomate. Insert the EP jack at one end of the cable into the auxiliary input of the Sonomate. Insert the EP jack at the other end of the cable into the headphone socket of your phone or tablet. Switch on the power switch of the Sonomate. The speaker is now on standby. Press the power button on the remote to power on the Sonomate. Launch the music playing app on your phone or tablet. Choose your song and start playing. Use the volume up button to turn up the volume.